Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Infiniti G37. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 138,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.